Hey everybody, we're all dressed up, getting ready to go to Joel's parents' house for Christmas Eve. They do their Christmas on Christmas Eve, I think. That's what they do. But anyways, so we're gonna go over there and hang out there, eat, and like they probably have gifts and stuff. I will film it. So tomorrow we're doing ours, which you guys will see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully the boys will behave on the way there. I'm hoping that. So I hope you like my makeup. But we will see you in a few. Well, now we're waiting in the car on Joseph. We're always waiting for that boy. Jax is ready. So we're sitting here waiting for him. Say hi.
Hi.
Say Merry Christmas Eve. Say it louder. Alright, forget it. He won't say it louder.
Yeah.
Then say it louder.
Hi.
Say Merry Christmas Eve.
I
He's so cute. Come on, Joseph. Oh no. Like everybody else is ready. It's always like this. We're always waiting on Joseph. But here he comes. What? Stop. Here he is. There's Joseph.
Hi.
Say Merry Christmas Eve.
Merry Christmas Eve.
Now no fighting, right?
Yeah, I like that. He has a long and long one.
Can you get it in the other one?
No matter me.
Where are you going?
Oh. This is to Carla from Mom and Dad.
Damn, I'm already first. I'm over here. Right here, honey. Thank you, sweetheart. Ooh.
Hayden, you gotta sit.
Ooh, I like this.
Bungie.
Ooh, I like this. I like that. That is cool. Shoot, I might wear that tonight. I like that one. Thanks, Mom.
Jammies from Bungie.
Hey, no.
All right, Hayden, give me the box.
Mom. From Bungie and Grandpa.
All right, we're saving the No, wrapping no, paper because Peyton, we're
no.
going to use it next year.
Take these. Hayden.
The tape, make sure to tape.
Oh, thank you.
What do you get?
For my new grill.
Oh, let's see. Oh, that's cool.
So let's
Nice, Blackstone. That's good stuff.
Oh, I did. You know the spatula.
Peyton, no.
That's cool.
Careful, that's heavy.
From Bungie. From Auntie Amy and Bud.
Holy cow.
It's a box of bricks.
That wouldn't be very Oh, yeah. You know what this is? An ice maker for my camper.
Oh, I know what that was.
Nice.
Yes, it makes ice too. I have bags of ice in my freezer. My freezer is just as big.
Yeah.
It's like our freezer. Everything in our freezer is just bags of ice.
And it makes ice in there.
You forgot you asked.
Well, I just said I want
Peyton's all
one.
excited for you. Look on that tag right there.
Open it. Now open it. Open it. Let's go.
Oh, all right.
Hayden from Auntie Amy and Uncle Fred.
Oh, it's really two at a time. I'll be here all day.
You all free these things.
Heidi's from Auntie Amy.
And that's Holly from Auntie Amy and Uncle Fred.
Jay's not here.
Now open up the inside too. There's something inside of them.
Put it inside.
Oh,
It's inside for now.
Hey, Jay.
Hayden's oh my God, it's a Winnie the Pooh bag.
Open it up. Look what it says.
Grandpa from
What?
the three
Need
kids.
to open that?
There's T-Ball, I think.
It's, oh.
And it
It's
says
got
Holly.
Holly.
Here, James.
It's for T-Bone.
Let me see.
That's for Dad.
Hey, that's for me.
Let me see.
Hey, that's for me. Holly, that's for me.
Do you like
Get in
it?
here.
Did you hear her? She has one like that, but this one's better because it has her name.
And it's cutest. Yeah, Mom. Okay.
Just gotta get it on there.
Do you want to keep the bags, Maggie?
Oh, your mother does.
She yelled at me a couple times because I didn't have Christmas bags one year.
Look at her, Alicia. I've got to see me before.
She saves every bag, every bit of tissue paper.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is the Freddie from
Freddie's got one.
One
and,
Jane
and,
Griffin.
and.
That grandma wants to keep
Heidi,
the
pass
bag.
me your thing.
Jeremiah.
Oh, wow.
I'm holding
Hey, Peter.
From Mom.
I'm glad you like it.
What's the meat for Mom and Dad?
It's to you?
Where's the cover?
Heidi.
That's my size.
Those are from
Holly.
Uncle Albert.
Uncle Albert.
Bracelet.
Who's that from?
From Grandma's grandma.
Oh,
From Granny.
That's mine.
Oh. Thank you, James.
you know what? Somebody find the baby a bit.
$50 free service.
The bracelet.
That'll be good.
I got cheese, Chris.
It is nice.
Oh,
I got cheese, Chris.
Thank you, Mom. T-Bone. Thank you, Dad.
thank you, James.
Here, give me the paper.
Is it really Wilson? There's mine.
Mom, this is from Heidi.
Wow.
Cheese crisp.
Yeah, it is.
Where's that from?
Grandma's
Joel.
What is it?
He's behind you. Behind you, James.
But, hey, because you didn't get his other picture.
for Jair's.
Oh, thank you, Heidi.
Is it a picture of Heidi?
No, it's Jair's.
They all make these in 3rd grade, so I have
That's cute.
Jeremiah, this is from Albert.
Okay, you can open it. You want to open it? Go ahead.
I put it in my bag.
Oh, Holly, did you put your bracelets in your bag?
Maggie.
Oh, thank you, Tom.
You want it, Tom?
And they're black. Black cookies.
I was told to get you black socks.
Holly.
As long as you're not white. No
Your
white
food,
socks.
Missy.
That's from Freddie and Amy.
That's always the best gift.
What?
No, that right there is Bob and Jackie's from,
That is.
that's Bob and Jackie's from Mom, Jeremiah. And
Hey,
they
stop. But why did he say Freddie and Amy?
Mom, this is from Heidi. Put it in my bag.
What are you talking about?
I gotta move mine out of the way.
You don't want to read.
Heidi.
Hey, come here, baby.
Holly, I love you, Long.
Heidi.
I don't think Peyton's got one yet. That's why she's getting all aggravated. Did she? Where's the-
Yeah, I think you guys have to do that one together.
Okay, let's Heidi. Hey, you got one tree.
Go back. Come here, baby. I like where it's going.
Jackie's better than Bob. Hey, Jack. Over here.
Holy moly.
Holly, can you move that by the fireplace?
Hey, baby, come here. Hey, look. Thank you.
Who's that from?
From Amy and Freddie.
What? Huh? For me? That's to you from me? Let's see what you got.
Pick up
Honey.
Mary, because she'll go in that fire. Like the pilot.
No, 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 no.
Peyton, over here, baby. Peyton with Grace, come here. Come on. Was that for her doll?
Yeah, for her doll.
What's the matter, Peyton?
There's stuff over there for Peyton.
She hasn't got one yet.
Oh, God, find Peyton's
I'm
over there.
trying. I'm not seeing. Here.
Look, Peyton, you got one.
Thank you, Amy and James.
You're welcome.
And then you may have to take it.
There's for you, baby. That's for you. Come on.
You already opened it?
What? Open it.
Okay. She was all upset. She didn't have one.
What is it? It's always a kitchen star. Turn it over.
Jackie and Bob.
Huh?
From Jackie and Bob. Yeah,
Jackie.
there's another one over there for Bob.
You like it?
Yeah, that one.
Oh, hold on. Guess what?
That's for Bob.
Look at the
Jackie
blender.
made
Alicia.
this.
Alicia.
I can't hold it.
To Alicia from HP3.
Look at this.
Carla.
Oh, that's
Jackie
cute.
made that.
Triple H.
To who?
Me.
Carla?
I want to see that. I want to see that.
Mia hasn't got
She made that?
Yeah.
Man, I think I have to get a hold of you, Aunt Jackie.
This is from,
Oh, you got one from Bob and Jackie too.
Oh, cool. I like this.
I haven't got anything. Neither has Mia. Mine.
We're just waiting until today for that Christmas towels.
You got them?
She went out shopping yesterday. She's like, we need more Christmassy towels.
Here, Maggie.
All of those work. And they don't run on batteries.
Oh, nice.
What'd you get?
Another one, baby.
Or 26.
What'd you get there?
Between
Oh,
these.
here.
Oh yeah! Holly, what time is it?
You like your shirt?
That's cool.
Robot fighting time.
His sister got him that.
Aww.
Oh, look at you, girl.
Munchie, this is from us.
Oh, from y'all?
So we'll get one.
There's still more gifts because Amy hasn't got hers yet.
Wow.
There's still a lot of stuff.
Wow, is that
Wait, no, Adam, you keep this. You keep that. Say, no, that's
Oh,
nice.
Josie didn't get nothing yet either.
What's it say on the label?
There it is.
Who's that?
Here,
Is that from Garrison?
it is.
From Triple H.
Oh, that's from Jeremiah.
It's the girls.
Picking table phone.
What do you got? It looks like the game of Star Wars.
Oh, yeah.
This one's for you. Munchie.
Oh, look at that.
Grandpa.
Ice.
I was there when she bought it. That's what the battery was for. You should have opened the jacket before the battery.
Max has that exact one, Jeremiah. Max has that.
Heidi.
Oh, this is cute.
Look at Mom on all Spider-Man things.
Oh,
You got another Spider-Man blanket?
but that's the one she.
That's the one I wanted.
ordered.
Yeah.
All right. There's a cup. There's another one down there. Oh, wow. Did you get that?
Hey, Ma, you know it does have a battery in it already, right?
It came with another one.
Whose is that?
Oh, there's another
You're
one.
taking her toys out. What did you get? A sweater?
There's another gift for Joseph.
Joseph, Mom.
I think it's hurting. I think that's like the hurting for Jay. Cause she gave like. But I should have another box under there for Jay.
Joel?
Somebody got Jay's gift.
Probably I got another.
Jay's, your brother,
Yeah.
from me, is missing.
What's over there?
There's
There's two
Oh.
over there.
Right
I
here.
think you put it to the side.
Does it say Jay?
Yeah, from HP3.
Okay. And
This
then,
one is for
okay, perfect.
Put him over here.
Oh, yeah, I just have his other pile here.
got all the presents.
Yeah, for him.
That's it.
Yeah, Heidi, grab those and put these in the pile for Jay.
What? That's from Jeremiah and the girls. Molly got your flashlight.
Hey, Joseph, what'd you get?
Did you get yours yet?
I got one
That's the
from
battery.
the girls.
Oh, of course. Of course.
From my dad.
when I was looking at wallets, and I said, "Ooh, gift idea."
Christmas ideas. Oh, this is. Oh, this is to you from me. Juicy look good too. What do you call it?
Perfume. Thank you, Mom.
And in your wallet, there's $1. You can't get the wallet without giving $1.
Aw, I got $1 in my wallet.
Maggie, I didn't put $1 in the wallet I gave
Huh?
Natalie.
Oh, you
Just hold on to it right now until he's all filled up.
just good luck.
Put it back in the box.
Yeah, put it back in the box.
Did you see it? That's what.
I gotta go work in Boston outside in the cold.
Overhauls.
Aw.
In January, I gotta go to